My name is Martin Broomhead. I'm the UK General Manager for D-Fend Solutions. The company came into being in 2017 as a direct response to the drone threat that's perceived to be out there. Drones are being used for good in the world, but there are also nefarious actors out there, state actors, terrorists, and just individuals that are unaware of the rules and regulations around flying drones that need protecting against. Well, what we've seen are incidents where drones have been used to fly attacks at airports, attacks on politicians and state leaders, all of which have placed their lives and lives of passengers at risk. And now what we need to do is protect against that so that normal daily activity can continue. D-Fend Solutions is an RF-based cyber-takeover capability. We detect the transmissions between the drone and the remote control, and we're able to extract the data from that gives us the detection, the identification of each individual drone. We can then track and identify each drone down to an individual level. Once that's presented, we can also track, locate the pilot's location. This is particularly important for law enforcement who want to have a proportional response to a drone threat. So not only are they able to track the drone and ensure that that is not a threat to security, but they can also tell you where the pilot is and deal with that accordingly. Uniquely, we also have the capability to mitigate the drone within the system. There are two options to that. We have the fend off and we have the takeover. Fend off is where we disconnect the pilot from the drone and the drone will return to its home protocol. There is a concern within the marketplace that if there's a nefarious actor, that person could set the home location to the target. So our system reprograms the home location back to the takeoff position, therefore mitigating that risk. The second option we have is to take over the drone. Now that's where we send a short data transmission to the drone, reprogram the drone, and the drone then flies autonomously via a safe route, via safe height to a predefined landing position. The drone is then shut down, and that is it. The situation is contained, and you can sort out what you want to do with security beyond that. The EnforceAir system comes in 3 Peli cases. The record for putting it up and having it operational is 3 minutes. We do not have false positives, which is one of the great advantages of the system. Therefore, if we say there is a drone, it is a drone out there. Traditional countermeasures such as jammers, radar and acoustic do certainly have a role to play in a layered solution. However, they do struggle in dense urban environments. For instance, radar will show false positives with clutter. It will detect birds and give you a false reading. Jammers will not only jam the drone, but also frequencies of mobile phones, of security services, of emergency services, and block any traffic happening between them in a critical period. If you think about the drone as a virus, then EnforceAir is the antivirus. So we need to stay one step ahead constantly of the drone threat. The use of drones will increase exponentially over the coming decades, and we want to be able to enable that and encourage that. But to do that, we need to be able to protect ourselves against nefarious actors and terrorists and state actors. We have the system to do that. As I said before, this is an antivirus to a virus, and as such we will continue to evolve that and stay one drone threat ahead